And then the friction plate meshes on the outside. Look, the fingers are out.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's how it works, okay?
Okay, this is what I like to do. Oh.
And squish it out.
Yes.
Fingers in,
Fingers in,
then fingers out.
fingers in, fingers out. Fingers in, fingers out.
Yeah, so that's how the inside rotates the outside.
No, in. And then out. That's funny. In, out. In,
That's right.
out.
Alternate.
Like inside, outside.
Inside, outside. Fingers face inside on the steel plates. Fingers face outside on the friction discs.
I was about to think of that. It's not that ones that go in, and the ones that go out, go out. One more.
No, there's a few more, so not many though.
Now two more on one. At the end, it's very hard.
Yeah.
Is it?
Well, they want to keep coming off. There's not a whole lot of room for holding them on.
Now what? If you let go, they will come
There.
off.
That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
When you let go,
No, because I don't want them all to fall off. Okay, it says install a pressure plate on the clutch hub, aligning the holes in the plate with threaded bosses on the hub.
they,
Mm-hmm.
what is a pressure plate?
Well, a pressure plate is one of these pieces that we took off right here. Okay, this piece. Oops.
And so on the fingers.
Yeah, and that needs to go back in there. So here's the pressure plate. You right?
Oh, that's,
It's gonna sit right on the end of the push rod,
so that
and then
it's screws.
did you see how these studs came through the holes?
Yeah.
6, right? And how many bolts did we take off?
Chips.
6 is right.
Alice said chips.
How come this isn't going back? My friction plate's falling off. So
Mommy, Daddy, do you know how old is my stuffed animal, Elvis?
how old he is?
Yeah.
13.
He is. 3.
3?
Yes.
Younger than you, huh?
Yes. And then he's going to turn 4.
Oh, that'll be a fun birthday. 4 is a very big year.
And then, you know when his birthday is?
When?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Because you
Okay, so we have the install pressure plate. Next, seat the diaphragm spring with the concave side down. Okay, the fingers face out. All right. We'll line the fingers up so that they overlap those studs. Tabs in the spring retainer. This is a spring retainer.
Gave Mick a card for his birthday and told him what kind of cake it is. Do you know what kind kind of cake it is?
No. See.
Chocolate cake cookie cake.
Chocolate cake cookie cake.
Yes, there's chocolate chip cookies on the chocolate cookie cake. On that cake, that's why we call it the cookie cake.
All right, we got 6.
Oh,
6 screws to put in, right?
yes. Look, Nick has done his legs. See?
I see that.
Elvis can't see. He does that when he's angry.
He's angry.
No, he only does that when he's angry.
What makes Elvis angry?
My stuffed animal. You mean my stuffed animal?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know what made him angry? The only time I've seen him angry lately?
Mm-hmm.
When baby Brett was here.
Why?
Baby Brett pulled on his ear. He did. Elvis did not like that.
What did he do?
He yelled at baby Brett.
Then what did baby Brett do?
Oh, I don't think baby Brett cared, sweetie.
He just did it again?
No, he didn't do it again because his daddy told him not to. Remember Mr. John was over here?
Yeah. Elvis and Mick and this guy has motorcycles, so they have to watch you.
Oh, okay.
Definitely Elvis, because he has 6 motorcycles.
6 motorcycles. That's fun.
But he has to work on them at the same time.
6 at the same time?
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
Then one and that 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Daddy, did baby Brett do this?
Yeah, exactly what he did.
So how?
Mm-hmm.
How?
Well, I wasn't right there. I'm not sure, sweetie. I was close, but it's hard to tell how hard somebody's doing something like that.
Hi boys, how's it going?
It's going great.
Mommy, look
Except the
how
battery
Elvis
ran out.
is.
Okay, watch.
Mommy, look how Elvis is.
Oh yeah.
He's angry
He's angry, why?
because he can't find his motorcycle.
He's angry. Oh, little cut. Those kind of cuts don't hurt. They're just scrape. We'll pick it up and then I put it up.
Mommy, Daddy took that big coat off.
Are you watching him so you can fix it next time?
No, that these guys are watching him.
Hey,
And
Boo Boo.
Elvis really needs to watch him because he has 6 motorcycles
Boo Boo, you know what?
and 6 cars.
The next time Daddy has to do the clutch, could be, you might be 10 years old. You might be a big, big boy by then.
Hey Boo Boo, I'm gonna put the groceries away and then I'm gonna let you know when we're ready to make cookies.
Okay, and tell me when it's chocolate chip time because that's my favorite color. I have to take the cookie.
Whoop, tutor.
Stop that!
I love you, honey.
Who does that?
Nick.
No.
Making it toots all the time.
Who? On Airbuddies.
Butterball.
Butterball.
Oh yeah, he toots. Fills up his suit.
And then juice.
I know.